Good morning, people. Today is Tuesday, November 24th. Yes, almost forgot the day for a minute, but today is Tuesday, November 24th. And today I'll be shooting several looks going downtown to just kind of capture my rest of my looks for the month of November. But yeah, guys, I'm feeling super excited, super ready. I am about an hour, 2 hours behind schedule, but it's all good because, you know, we still got the rest of the day ahead of us. Let me show you guys the looks that I have, or what's going on in my room rather. So right here we have my bag of shoes and bags of accessories, basically the different things that I'll be bringing. We have my camera over here, and then over here is where we have the outfits. Right now there's 5 outfits that I'll be bringing along, and then this is the outfit that I'm probably going to wear. I just need to try it on to make sure it's hitting. But yeah, I'm about to do my makeup now, guys, because I really do want to be back home by like 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock latest, because I have a whole bunch of other stuff to do. I'm behind on YouTube videos. I feel like the month of November has just been the crazy month. I've kind of been more focused on Instagram, and I'm trying to kind of find that balance to be able to, you know, push out my YouTube content to you guys as well. So definitely, you know, I didn't forget about y'all. It's just that I need to reprioritize my time and all that good stuff. So again, keep me accountable, y'all. Be commenting on my old videos, like where's the new post, where's the new post, sis, we waiting for you. So yeah, I'm about to do my makeup like I said, and I'll show you guys when I'm done. Hey guys, so as you can see, I'm now done with my makeup, and now it's time to get dressed. So this is an up close of the beat. And guys, honestly, I've stopped using like blush and highlighter, and now I just kind of keep it very calm, very neutral. And I think I like this look way better. I feel like when I was wearing highlight, when I was wearing blush, I didn't really feel like myself too much. But now I feel like I'm really just pleased with how the makeup is looking. As y'all can see, my finger coils are now a little bit puffed out. So I'm just really jacking this hairstyle. I'm super excited to shoot. The only thing is that out of nowhere it started to rain, and I'm just like, hello, this was not in the forecast. That's why I chose today and not tomorrow. But apparently it's only gonna rain for like 30 minutes. So basically by the time that I get to my location, it won't be raining anymore. So I'm thankful for that. But yeah, let me go ahead and get all my stuff together. All right, you guys, I'm dressed in look number 1, and we have this chunky sweater from Forever 21. This lighting is crazy right now. This skirt from H&M, and then some thigh-high boots. So I've made it downtown, and I'm going to show you guys the setup that I have. As usual, you guys know that I'm gonna have my 2 tripods. So first, I have my original camera set up right here. Obviously I'm vlogging right now, but I'm going to put this camera over on this tripod right here. Fire so far. I kind of want a lighter background though, I'm not sure. Hey vlog, so my camera actually died. It turns out that only one of my batteries is charged, which is the one that I'm using right now. Well, 2 of my batteries are charged, not 3. Anyways, the point is that I'm on to look number 2 now. I actually need to hurry up because obviously, you know, with daylight savings, it's gonna start getting dark soon. So I'm gonna go ahead and shoot look 2. I'm gonna set a timer on my phone for like 15 minutes tops per look. Like, I don't got time to waste. So I'm gonna try to get in at least 1 or 2 more looks in after this. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get to all 5, but I'm kind of going in order of priority, like what do I actually need / want to post and all that good stuff. Sorry? Woo! Y'all, I done got 3 looks in. This is a record, not a record high, but it's been done before and it was done again. I'm proud. Wasn't feeling the glasses on that last look though, and now I'm about to try and shoot the 4th look before the sun goes down, so here I go. Alright folks, so that is all that we have for today. My camera is about to die, so need to do better with charging, but I'm so happy with how today's shoot went. I got 4 looks in, y'all. 4, and I actually like all of them. Like, I'm ready to post all of them. super excited to close out November on a high note. I just feel like there's been so much good that's been happening and been coming. Even just being on the street, I was able to connect with a few dope people. So yeah, love coming downtown to shoot. Now I need to go back home. I haven't eaten all day or drank anything. I've been shooting all day, been getting cute all day, but it was definitely worth it. So I just want to bring you guys along and show you what it's really like behind the scenes. And yeah, I'm excited to continue creating. Right now, I didn't know if I told you guys, but I actually entered into this competition, this contest basically with the Rookwood Shopping Center. Basically you can win $500 if you create the best gift guide. My gift guide was for the foodie, so I'll insert a clip to show you guys what my clip was for my submission.
I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen.
So I'm actually going right now to pick up a gift bag that all participants are gonna receive. So guys, let me pause my music. I'm not in love with these shots right now. I'm trying to see how I can make it more fire. But I don't really, oh, sorry, you can't see my face. I'm trying to see how I can make it more fire. But right now, I'm not really feeling this. Just gonna keep on walking around and hopefully something comes through. So come on, brain, let's do this. All right, finding some shots that I like, but I'm giving myself kind of like a 10-15 minute deadline per look, and I'm already on my like 5th or 10th minute, so I'm gonna go ahead and kind of switch locations, try to get a shot that I like more. So let's go ahead and move things around. Y'all, I done found the spot. I'm so excited now because I literally just took one picture and already knew. Hold on. This is the photo. I'll probably insert a little clip. But yo, that's all it takes. Sometimes you just gotta keep on moving things around and then boom, you got it. So about to hurry up. What time is it? 3:20. So by 3:30 I should be on look number 2. So let me hurry up. It's time for look number 2. I'm trying to get in 3 at this point. Right now it is like 3:30. Y'all know the sun be going down at like 5 o'clock and I'm trying to get my looks in before that. So let's go change. I kind of want to talk about how today's shoot went because it was a shoot. Basically, I went today to create content for December. Today is actually November 29th, meaning that, you know, once December 1st is here, I want to have content to post, so I have to shoot ahead of the schedule. However, I'm kind of late on that because basically, I usually like to shoot probably like 2 weeks in advance of when I'll be posting, and obviously December 1st is on Tuesday, today is Sunday. But the point is that I basically took too long to get ready and I ended up only having about an hour and a half to 2 hours to shoot before the sun went down. And of the fits, like, I brought 5 or 6 outfits along and I really only got in like 3 looks. I got in 4 looks, and of the 4 looks, I really only really like 3 out of the 4 looks. So I'm gonna have to have another shoot day later on in the week, but y'all know it's getting cold now, so I'm just kind of like, But anyways, that's that. I think I'm satisfied with at least I'm gonna be able to, you know, have certain content that I'm gonna post throughout the week. And I don't always have to post pictures from me being outside. I also just got something from Express that I want to try on. But speaking of try on, I'm about to actually film my Zara haul. I feel like I've been got these clothes almost like 2.5, 3 weeks ago. I feel like that's what it feels like now. And I haven't been able to film this yet just because I've been so busy filming other things. But yeah guys, I'm about to film this Zara haul. So right now I am just setting up my little wardrobe over here, setting up all the hangers, all that good stuff. So yeah, stay tuned and I'll show you guys behind the scenes. So y'all, it is about 10:30 basically, and I just wrapped up shooting. What's crazy is in my head, I still wanted to shoot more so like a little selfie, because I'm like, my makeup looks mad good. But you know what, sis? It's gonna look good tomorrow too, because if you guys can't tell, I recently got my eyebrows threaded, so they're basically just super on fleek. But honestly, I need to clean up all of this mess, which is what I'm actually about to do. Hey vlog, good morning. Today is Monday, November 30th. Okay, almost lost it for a second, but today's Monday, November 30th, and I'm actually having a pretty late start to my day. It's about 11 o'clock and I just finished eating breakfast. I actually ate breakfast, so that's a start. But yeah, basically this morning has been pretty chill. Had a shower again, got to like sleep in one last time. I got up around like 9:15ish, I want to say, as opposed to like 7:30, so it was definitely some sleeping in. But about to get my day started, get all my tasks. Today will be an editing day because the Zara haul, my reels, catching up on client work, all that stuff. Just getting organized for the week is what I'm about to do. So stay tuned, y'all. Also guys, I just got these new loungewear pants from Express and they're so comfy, so cute. I did get a matching top too, however the arms are a little short, so I'm gonna go ahead and return that and get a size larger basically. Hey y'all, so right now it is around 3:30 and I actually just forwent. Basically, I skipped out on lunch because honestly, I'm not too hungry and I am a little bloated still from all the Thanksgiving food. But I did have an afternoon snack that I'm still currently eating, which is about 4 to 5 strawberries, as well as some rye crisp and also some hummus. So yeah, now I'm going to go ahead and get back to editing my videos. I feel like I've been doing good on checking things off my to-do list for the day. And y'all, just a little mini sidebar, why I ordered something on Shein that I wanted to return, but they basically said that I can keep the items that I was gonna return and I still get the full money back. So I was like, okay, listen, if I just gotta lose a few pounds to fit into these fits, then okay, so be it. If it's free, then it's free, you know? I just want you to know this is what self-care looks like on a Monday night. We have some dark chocolate, some strawberries, some vanilla Greek yogurt, and some honey, and this is my little mini snack bowl. I saw toast, I wanted to get toast, but I was like, nope. And guys, I just ordered off of NYX. I got like 17 items for like 60 bucks, and I realized the last time I ordered from them was actually around this time last year as well. I actually remember now I was in preparation to go to Ghana/Nigeria, and now it's just crazy that I'm making another order around the same time in the next year, and it's just like so much has changed since then. Good morning vlog. So now I'm in that same position that I was in last night. However, right now it is 7:30 in the morning basically. I just got done reading my devotional. I'm feeling good. I did some mouthwash, didn't wash my face yet fully because I'm so tired to do my whole skincare routine. But I just put a bunch of cold water in my eyes and I actually feel pretty awake. I have a dentist appointment today at 9:30 and y'all, it snowed yesterday and I have to clean off my car and I'm not looking forward to that like at all. But the reason that I got up this early is because, well, one, this is the time that I want to get back to waking up. I feel like post Thanksgiving, I've kind of been like waking up kind of like later and later. I'm up right now though. Now that I've done my devotional, I want to make sure that I do a few tasks before going ahead and heading to the dentist. Some of that, which includes printing out a shipping label for the Zara items that I'm going to be returning, which by the way, if you haven't watched my Zara haul, it went live yesterday. So yes, I am keeping on track to my upload schedule. Super happy about that. So yeah, check out the Zara haul if you haven't watched that. But then I'm going to return some items to basically drop off some items to USPS to return to Zara. And then I want to edit my photos that I'm going to be posting later on today. Basically, as soon as I edit the photos or select which photos I'm going to upload, I'm going to go ahead and do that. And, you know, type out a caption. So that should take about like 20-30 minutes. And then after that, I basically want to, you know, make sure that I'm either eating breakfast before I go, or at least kind of like prepping what breakfast will be when I come back, because I'm getting my braces tightened, y'all. Probably won't be able to eat anything too solid, so whether that's gonna be like oatmeal or whatever the case may be, possibly make some green tea. And then I don't know if I'm gonna shower before I go. I feel like that's a lot of work because I'm probably just coming home right after, but it always does feel nice to shower before going outside. So we'll see, but the point is that my next alarm is set for 8:30 when like it's time to like be like, okay, like should be done editing photos by then. So I've given myself about like 45-minute window to edit, type out my caption, all that good stuff, just so that I'm ready to go ahead and post on the 1st of December. So once I select that photo, I'll just insert it here to show y'all what I came up with. But yeah, see, as I'm slouched back right now, I'm getting tired, so I need to sit back up so that, you know, I can continue doing the do. Y'all, it is cold. Listen, if you live in a state where it's warm, don't take that for granted, please. Like, please. So y'all, I just got my braces. Whew, look, I can't even talk right. But I just got my braces tightened. Sorry, I have the heat on so loud because it's literally freezing. But as you can see, I just put on my little headscarf, which is like my silk scarf, but I tied it up in a turban, and everyone in the dentist is like, oh my gosh, I love your hairstyle so much. And I'm just like, if y'all know, this is just what I tie to go to sleep. But anywho, I was almost falling asleep in there. I only had like 5 hours of sleep last night, and they have that really bright light like literally burning into your eyes. I was even wearing sunglasses, but I feel like I could feel the light like penetrating through to my skull. It was crazy. I'm so happy to be out of there. My teeth actually feel fine. I feel like usually when I get my braces tightened, it starts to hurt immediately. So I'm just going to prepare in advance, and once I get home, take some medicine basically to ease the pain in advance. And I also made some soup yesterday, as I showed you guys, just to basically, you know, it'll be easier to eat that versus having solid foods later. But yeah, I actually have a return at Zara that I want to, or a return to Zara that I need to drop off at the post office. So I'm gonna see what post office is closest, and then I also need to go to Walgreens real quick just to make a quick run. And what I'll be returning to Zara is going to be the leather pants and also the leather skirt, just because of the way that they fit me. Skirt was too short and the pants were just not what I expected. So yeah, about to go and do that, and let's go ahead and do it. Hey y'all, so right now it is 5:44 p.m. and I'm about to go and make dinner. I've been editing literally all afternoon. I had a doctor's appointment, or I had a dentist appointment, y'all know that, but I've been editing all afternoon, like I said. And yeah, I'm all edited out. I think I'm good on edits for the night, basically. I have other things on my to-do list that don't include editing that I can get done. But based on videos and all that stuff, I think I'm gonna just chill for now, just post a picture tomorrow, probably create a reel sometime tomorrow, but my fingers is tired from editing, y'all. I'm excited. I'm about to make some fried plantain, about to make some, I don't know about rice. I have chicken, hopefully it's still there. Beans. We're just gonna go make some food, so let's go. So y'all, that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you again so much for staying tuned up until this point. Definitely know down in the comments below if you guys like these types of videos and if you want to see more from me. But as always, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure to pause this video, hit that subscribe button. And as always, keep up with me on socials. Stay blessed, y'all. Stay safe, stay prayed up, and I'll see you back for my next one.